Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. Viewers, please subscribe my channel and please click on bell icon for getting more question papers, library science question paper updates in future. So today I'm going to upload one more library science question paper. This is a DU, MPhil and PhD library information science entrance examination question paper. So in this question paper, out of 50 questions, question and answers I will explain through this video. So this is more useful for library aspirants, those who are preparing various competitive examinations. Very useful, friends. So please subscribe my channel. Please share in Telegram, WhatsApp groups, your friends, professional groups. It's very useful for library aspirants, friends. So earlier I uploaded already 13 approximately 13 question papers through my channel Jobs in Telugu State channel. So anyone on not seen that videos, please go through that my channel and um, you can see the question papers I already upload. AIMS, IAS, VVSC, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Library Information Science question paper and next so many question papers. Telangana TSPSC Assistant Library Medical College question papers also already uploaded, friends. So shall I start the question and answers from first question onwards? First question: which type of research describing two or more entities of the same nature which are compared and contrasted in terms of certain predefined parameters? I will explain question once again. It's a lengthy question and difficult one. Which type of research describing two or more entities of the same nature which are compared and contrasted in terms of certain predefined parameters? So out of four options, right answer is comparative research is the right answer, friends. So option 4 out of 4 option 4 comparative research is the correct answer for question number 1. Fourth is the right answer. Next question number 2, friends. Need or want for a particular product becomes a demand when? So right answer is it is backed by buying power. So it is backed by buying power. Third option, second question, third option is the right answer, friends. So it's just a little bit tough this. Why? Because it is a MPhil PhD entrance question paper. So most of the questions concentrated on research methodology purpose. Some questions may be difficult, some are basic questions. So it is backed by Bowers power is the correct answer. Next question number third is the simple question. Who is the author of book title, subject, catalog? EJ codes. So this is a repeated previous question. It's seen so many question papers. So who is the author of book title, subject, catalog? EJ codes. Third question, fourth option is the right answer. Next, fourth question: ability to evaluate critically intellectual, human and social strength and weaknesses, potential and limits, benefits of costs of IT known as. Right answer is critical literacy. So fourth question, third option is the correct answer. To so fourth question, third is critical literacy is the right answer. Next, fifth question: who coined the term data smog? It's important question. It's already seen some examinations earlier. So who coined the term data smog is important. Is David Schenck. David Schenck, third option. Fifth question, third option is the right answer. David Schenck is the right answer. So sixth question: which of the following is a referral tool? So out of four options given, um, so which is the referral tool? So union catalog, option 2 is the right answer. Sixth question out of four options, sixth question option 2 is the right answer. Union catalog is the correct answer. Next, question number 7. Next, seventh question: which are among the following is a multi-subject gateway? It's an important question, friends. So Renard Dress is the multi-subject gateway. Fourth option is the right answer out of four options. Seventh question, right answer option 4. Renard Dress is the multi-subject gateways is some innovative question and difficult one. may be expected in future examinations also. So this, please focus on question number 7. Next, question number 8, which association tagline is connecting people and information? One association tagline is connecting people and information. Please find out the association. Out of 4 alternatives, IFLA, ALA, COMLA and SLA given. So a special library association tagline is collecting people and information. Eighth question, fourth option is the right answer. This is a previous question which we already seen in earlier examinations also. So ninth question also important previous question. Half life in information science is related to half life in information science is related to out of 4 option 1 correct. Rate of obsolescence is the right answer. So ninth question, first option is the right answer. Action research means, question number 10, action research means a research initiated to solve an immediate problem. A research initiated to solve an immediate problem. 10th question, option 2 right answer. Most of the questions up to 10 questions, 1 to 10 questions, I think 6 questions came from research methodology part. So friends, research methodology also a key role in any entrance examination or competitive examinations in the field of library science. Please focus. So 10th question also very important. Next, 11th question, Unimark is developed by, is a simple question, basic, fundamental and previous question in library science. 11th question right answer is HIPLA. So second option is correct for 11th question. 11th question, question number 2, IFLA International Federation of Library Associations and Institutions. IFLA, some more points I am explaining to the answer. IFLA started in the year 1927 at Edinburgh, Scotland, I think. Netherlands, sorry friends, Netherlands. IFLA founded 1927. So right answer is option 2, 11th question, option 2 correct answer. Question number 12, a form of interpretive research to study human actions and social practices with participation of researcher is known as. So I will explain question once again. A form of interpretive research to study human actions and social practices with participation of researcher is known as action research. Option 1, 12th question. This is also again research methodology oriented question. So question number 12, action research, option 1 is the right answer. Question number 13, in which type of observation and participants don't know they are being observed. So this is important. Convert observation, participant don't know that they are being observed. So covert observation. So option 3, 13th question, option 3 is the right answer, covert observation. Right answer. Next, question number 14. Next, question number 14, friends. Polyglot dictionaries providing meaning in. So polyglot dictionary is very famous, friends, is a very important one. Many languages. Polyglot means, poly means many. Many languages available in many languages called polyglot dictionaries. So question number 14th, 3 is the right option. So 15th question, real time access referred to is important previous question. 15th question, access when searched for is called real time access. So real time access refers to 15th question. Right answer is second option, access when searched for is the right answer. Question number 16th, need theory given by, question number 16, need theory is given by Abraham Maslow is the right option. Maslow is the correct answer. Need theory given by Maslow. So 16th question, option 4 is the right answer. Maslow given need theory. So question number 17, the act of collating and tabulating, classifying and drawing reference inferences from gathered data is called. So it is called, 17th question, data processing. Data processing is the right option. So 17th question, option 1 is the correct answer. Next question number 18. Empowering 8 model is developed for Empowering 8 model is developed for Asian region. So 18th question, option 1 is the right answer. Asian region is the right answer for Empowering 8 model developed for Asian region. So option 1 is the right answer. 19th question, the frequency distribution of scientific productivity helps in I will repeat question once again. The frequency distribution of scientific productivity helps in identification of core authors. So option 4 is the right answer for question number 19. Question number 19, identification of core authors. So 19th 4 is the correct option. Next question number 20, ERIC, Educational Research Information Center. ERIC is sponsored by 20th question, Department of Education, Government of USA. So 20th question, option 1 is the right answer. Department of Education, Government of USA is the right answer. Next question number 21, the relation between mean, mode, median can expressed as the relation between mean, mode, median can be expressed as mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. So right answer is second option. Second is correct answer for question number 21. Next question number 20. Next question number 23. The number of pieces of independent information that are required to compute some characteristic given set of observation is called degrees of freedom. Right answer is degrees of freedom. 23. Question number option 2 is the right answer, degrees of freedom. Next question number 24. In how many volumes United Nations Statistics Division published statistical yearbook? Statistical yearbook is published by United Nations Statistics Division. It is published how many volumes? So 1 is the right answer, 1 volume. So option 1 is correct answer and answer also 1. So 24th 1 is the correct answer. Next question number 25. Henry Gaunt and Frank Gilbert belongs to classical movement. So out of 4 options, right answer is 4th option, classical movement. 25th question, 4th option is the right answer, classical movement. Next question number 26. SCI, Science Citation Index, first published by ISI, Indian Statistical Institute. So Science Citation Index first published by 26th question, option 3, ISI is the right answer. Indian Statistical Institute published Science Citation Index. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 27. The term of information literacy coined by Paul Jurowski in the year. The term of information literacy is given by Paul Jurowski. It is a previous question. We will see in so many question papers earlier. This is also expected question in future examinations. So information literacy, the term coined in the year 1974 is the right answer. Next question number 28. MAPA is a abstracting service. MAPA is a abstracting service. 28th option 1 is the right answer. Question number 29. Who developed 6 frames of information literacy in education? Who developed 6 frames of information literacy education? Right answer is Andretta. So Susie Andretta. So 29th third option is the right answer. Question number 30. Who developed 7 phases of information literacy? So this 29 and question number 30 little bit difficult. Never seen earlier question papers. So this is expected question future examinations. Innovative and very difficult questions. Question number 29 and 30. 30th questions, I will repeat once again. Who developed 7 phases of information literacy? Right answer is Bruce. Susan Bruce is the right answer. 30th question, option 1 is the right answer. Question number 30, 1 is the right answer. Next question number 31. The principle of local variation is mainly applicable. Principle of local variation is mainly applicable in cataloging. So option 3 is the right answer for question number 31. Option 3 is the correct answer. Cataloging is the right answer. Next question number 32. The concept of artificial intelligence belongs to the concept of AI, artificial of intelligence. This is the fifth generation of computers. Everyone knows five generation of computers. So artificial intelligence belongs to fifth generation. So 32nd question, option 1, fifth generation of computer. Everyone, transistors, vacuum tubes. First generation vacuum tube, second transistor, third generation integrated circuits, fourth generation very large integrated circuits, fifth one is artificial intelligence. So this important previous question. 32nd is the first option is the correct answer. 33 question number, what is the Dublin core is a metadata standard. This consists of 15 elements. It's a very important question. Dublin core consists of 15 elements. It is a metadata standard. So I am explaining some more points relevant to the question for getting more knowledge on library information science. It's very useful, these bits very useful for upcoming examinations, friends. So 33, option 1 is the right answer. The question number 34, which one of the following is not a total TQM, total quality management tool? So which one of the following is a not a total quality management tool? So right answer is 34th question. Right answer is graphs is not a total quality management tool. Graphs, except graphs, remaining all are total quality management tools. Next question number 35, which of the following research methods is useful in a study on measuring the active life of periodicals? Is the important question and application type of question. Citation analysis is the right answer. 35th question, option 2 correct answer. Which of the following research methods is useful in the study on measuring active life of periodicals? Is citation analysis. Right answer. 35, option 2 correct answer. Which of the one of the following is not a open source learning content management system? So not mentioned in not open source learning content management system. So Meebo is not a open source learning content management system. Moodle is a content management learning management software. Decos and Caroline also. Claro, Clara Online, Moodle, Docos, except Meebo is not a learning content management system. So option 2 is the not. So 36th 2 is the right answer. Question number 37, the International Information System on Research in Documentation, ISO RID, International Information System on Research in Documentation, is joint product of which organizations? FID, International Federation of Documentation and Institutions, and UNESCO. FID and UNESCO is the right answer. Question number 37, fourth option, FID and UNESCO is the right answers. Next question number 38, NISCARE is formed merge of Instac and NISCOM. Everyone knows NISCARE formed in the year 2002. So NISCARE, some more points, is located in Delhi. NISCARE alerts ISSN number. ISSN number consists of 8 digits. NISCARE is merge of Instac and NISCOM. Indian National Science Documentation Center. So NISCARE is located to New Delhi. So friends, it is formed in the year 2002. Some more points I am relevant to the question I am explaining, friends. Please follow these bits, very useful for upcoming examination. Question number 38. So option 4 correct answer. Question number 39, buying and selling in marketing functions are categorized as. Buying and selling in marketing functions are categorized as a exchange functions. Exchange functions is the right answer. 39th question, option 2 correct answer. Exchange functions is the right answer. Buying, selling in marketing functions are categorized into exchange functions. Next question number 40, which is not a academic social networking site? So mentioned not, so everyone knows, academic social networking site, researchgate also, Twitter, Facebook, Insta. So not mentioned, researchgate is the right answer, friends. uh, so not means researchgate, remaining all are social networking sites, friends. So question number 41, which is a not a competent component of expert system, which one is the not a component of expert system? So question number 41, not a component expert system, right answer is uh, search engine is not a component of expert system. Inference engine remaining all except search engine, remaining three are correct answers. So 42 question, world cat is maintained by, everyone knows CLC, OCLC is the right answer, but in this option is this question little bit doubt, friends. My thing is answer is OCLC, but option 2 given CLC, so I'm not sure about this answer. Please check other source for this question number 42. My answer is OCLC. Option 2 is the right answer. Next question number 43. Rich site summary, RSS is a rich site summary. RSS defines some examinations already seen. What is RSS? Please define rich site summary. A real simple syndicate also one more abbreviation is there. So please concentrate on these type of typical questions in upcoming examinations. 43, rich site summary is a format for delivery of regularly changing web content. So fourth option, 43 question, fourth option, format for delivery of regularly changing web content is the right answer. Rich site summary is a fourth option, format for delivery of regularly changing web content. Next question number 44, social marketing concept is based upon customer satisfaction and customer welfare. So option 3, 44, social marketing concept is based on customer satisfaction and customer welfare. 44th question, third option is the right answer. 45th question, in precis preserved context index, index context system, preserved context indexing system, precis abbreviation, precis role operator 0 allotted for action. So option 2 is the right answer. 45 question, action is the right answer. Precis, some more points, precis and popsibos are pre-coordinating indexing systems. Precis given by Derek Austin, role operators used in precis. Precis belongs to pre-coordinate indexing system, uniterm indexing system for post-coordinate indexing system. So friends, precis role operator 0 for action. 45th question, option 2 is the right answer. Next 46th question, in spiral of scientific method zenith marks, in spiral of scientific method given by S.R. Ranganathan, spiral of scientific method, zenith marks deduced loss. Deduced loss is the right answer. 46th question, deduced loss, option 3. 46th question, option 3 is the right answer. 47th question, marketing research involves analysis of facts, gathering records, and collection of facts. Analysis of facts, collection of facts, gathering records, all are the correct answer. Marketing research involves analysis of fact, collection of fact, gathering of records. 47th, all of the options are correct. Next 48th question, marketing strategy means idea for future income, old techniques of tail, ways of increase production, way to improve marketing activities. So 48th question, right answer is ways to improve marketing activities is the correct answer. Way to improve marketing activities is the right answer. So 48th question, fourth option is the right answer. Next question number 49, little science and big science is published by Solla Prize. So DJ Solla Prize, option 1 is the right answer. So 49th question, little science and big science given by DJ Sola Prize. So option 1 is the right answer for 49 question. 50 question and last question in this question paper. Time rate method is used. So this is important question and expected question in future upcoming examinations. Time rate method is for wage determination. Out of four options: wage determination, job analysis, performance appraisal, and recruitment. So option 1, wage determination, is the right answer. So this is a DU MPhil PhD entrance examination question paper in the field of library science, friends. So viewers, please subscribe my channel for getting more question papers, and please click on bell icon. Please click like and share my videos in professional groups and telegram groups. Your friends also, friends, is very useful. Till today I uploaded 14 library science entrance examinations and competitive various question papers conducted by premier institutions in India. So that please, anyone missed that videos, please go through Jobs in Telugu States channel. Please click, I will give that my channel link in my description. Please go through that page. Please watch the videos, very useful for library competitive aspirants, friends. In this question paper, in this video, I explained 50 questions along with the answers. So friends, I will do more videos on more question papers. I will upload very soon. Please watch my channel. Thank you. Wish you all the best, those who are preparing various examinations. Thank you so much, friends.